This kind of math works for numbers between 30 to 70. Let's do some squares. First, let's square the number 53. How do you square the number 53? Well, there are two numbers that are critical to evaluate this. The first number is 50, and the second number is 25. 53. How far is 53 from 50? Easy enough to find out. 53 take away 50 is 3. That's a positive 3. I now take this positive 3 and I combine this with 25. And I get 28. I now take this same 3 and I square it and I get 0, 9. And that's my answer. 2809. Is that true? Let's find out. Let's run the calculator and find out. Clear off the screen. 5, 3 times 5, 3 equals, what do you know? 2809. 2809. Let's do that again. That looks like fun. Alright. Let's change the numbers though. We don't want to use the same numbers. Let's do 54 squared. 54 squared. That's nice. Why not? How far is 54 from 50? Well, 54, take away 50 is 4. So it's a positive 4. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to combine that 4 with the number 25. I always do that. And I get 29. They're my first two digits. Now I take this 4, square it, and I get 16. And bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. There's my answer, 2916. That is amazing. Let's do another one. This is fun. Whoa. What number shall we do this time? I know. Let's do something a little bit more daring. Let's choose 62. 62. 62 squared. How far is 62 from 50? Well, I already know that. That's plus 12 away from 50. 50 plus 12 equals 62. So now what do? I take that plus 12, I add it to 25. I get 37. There are my first two digits. Now what do? Now I take the plus 12 and I square it. I get 144. I only have room for two digits, though I'm in trouble. Oh, no, I just go like this. 144. And I just very easily add 3844. And that is my answer. No, it can't be my answer. It can't be that simple. Let's find out. Run the calculator. And it is 62 times 62. Whoops, that screwed up. Hold on. 62 times 62 equals 3844. Exactly what we have here. 3844. What if we go the other way? I've been going positive. What if I go positive towards 70 from the 50? What if I go the other direction? What if I go towards 48? Yes. Let's do 48 squared. All right. How far away is 48 from 50? Well, 48, that's 2 away, but in the other direction, in the negative direction. So, for 50 to get to 48, we have to go negative 2. All right, so now I take that negative 2, and I combine it with 25, just like I did before, except the others were positive. Now 25 and a negative 2 is 23. Now I take the negative 2, I square it, and what do I get? 0, 4. 2304. There's my answer. Oh no, it can't be that easy. Let's find out. It is 4, 8 times 4, 8 equals 2304. That is amazing. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and so long. From Gary D. 777. Also known as Hoboken Gare. Bye-bye now.